Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tech. In this video I'll be talking about how to add bank account to your Binance. So if you want to add bank account to your Binance, this is what you have to do. Tap on the profile icon on the front page that has symbol of Binance. Then on the recommended, you tap on P2P. Okay, for you to be able to add your bank account to your Binance, this is what you have to do. So make sure it's on sale. If you want to make a transaction, that is when you have to work with keeping it on sale, so that you'll be able to sell your USDT if you're a Nigerian in order to get Naira. But if you want to add bank account to your Binance, this is what you have to do. If you look at below, you see that we have 4 icons there. Tap on profile. On your profile, you will see the payment method there. Tap on payment method. Now tap on add payment method. Now these are different banks we have in Nigeria. You can select any of them. If your bank is not here, you know that it is not among the bank that Binance recommend for transaction. So any of this bank here, all these banks here are in Nigeria. So if it is in your country, you can also use it, and if you have account with the bank, you can also use it to make your transactions on Binance. So guys, I hope this video have taught you how to add payment method on your Binance. If this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks for watching.